Alright, so I ended up buying the lower intake manifold gaskets and the upper manifold gaskets, which go on here. I cleaned this up a little bit. I'm gonna put it all back together, and hopefully it'll start perfectly. Alright, so we got the lower manifold in, injectors are in, everything connected. These hoses are back in. Now I'm gonna put the upper manifold, spark plugs, coils, and the upper manifolds, and we're gonna try to crank it here real quick. It runs good, it's just smoking. See if it can clear out all that water and oil that I poured down in the cylinders. Rev it up a little bit. Rev it up a little bit.